this Z, I guess that's a Z track, 72 inch. Man, I cut my lawn in like 5 minutes. I mean, it's probably like $20,000-$30,000. A Z730M. That's a 60 inch. Wow. Different. Well, that's a 48. It's a little bit smaller. You know, the scary part about this when they don't have prices.
Service 1 or 2, service 1 or 2.
They don't have prices on it. You need to be nervous. Nah, I could do that. 42 inch. That's a 60 inch right there. That would fit on my trailer. And it's got the lights. Oh man, that would be awesome. Cool. The Z15 515E. Last time I was here, I think he said one of them was like $10,000 or more. Yeah, y'all on crack. But I mean, hey, we can look, can't we? Let's look at that one over there. Guess that's got the grass catcher attachment. Looks like it's used. That's pretty cool. X380. What's this guy? That's a Kubota. Probably used. Yep. That's still good. Might be a diesel. I don't know. Yeah, that's probably used. Still too big for my house. That'd be great though. Still have fun with it. I bet you these guys are the used ones down here. They look a little dirty. Probably used tractors and a skid steer. What that is over there, but it's farm equipment. For all you ones that want to be farmers. I think that's that picks, you know, bales hay. I think that's a hay bale, but don't quote me on that. That's cool. Look at this big old tractor. I would never be able to afford it. Wow. Homesteader, that's what I was thinking. All you homesteaders y'all need one of these. That's cool. I would just like to drive one. That's cool. Imagine changing one of these tires. 380/85 R24s. Wow. And that's if you want, that's a depth. So this is a depth system. Cool. And we are John Deere Carnesville. I think this thing cuts grass. That's a lawnmower. I think that cuts grass. Like on the edge of fields and stuff like that. That's cool. See, this is why I need an F-250 or a 2500, so I can get me a bigger trailer. Which I don't need, and another lawnmower. Yes, the addiction is real. Or a lawn service. But even if I had a lawn service, I wouldn't get the big 60 inch. That's for like the big fields. Yeah, that's a 60 inch. But to pull this trailer, you need like an F-250 or 350. That'd be cool. I mean, I got the experience. Oh, look at this. This be some straight up bush hogging. That's for real, bush hogging, cleaning up big fields. And it's a tractor, John Deere 3025E. Way out of my price range. You know, we already know that. 4044M. Another one out of my price range. But that's cool. Look at this. This would be perfect for you, like a homesteader. Smaller tractor. You can only get stuff done. Oh, you hook this and everything. Wow. I'd have too much fun with that. I don't know why I like tractors. I'm a farmer or something. That's nice. Now this, how many inches is that? Jesus. Look how thick them blades are. There's some real bush hogging here. Jesus, look how thick them blades are. This is one of them guys you see, mowing the grasses in the fields and on the side of the highway. Look at that monster. Wow, that's crazy. I think I know what this is. This, I believe, they put manure in there and drive around the field and toss it out. So this is manure spreader.